5 most important things you should remember before going to Tokyo Disneyland. Hey friends, if you're planning your visit soon, this video is definitely for you. Based on our personal experience to, so yung mga tips na makakatulong para maging magical, smooth, at super sulit ang Disneyland day mo. Let's go! Number 1, book your tickets early. I suggest, first things first, book your Disneyland tickets via Agoda. Promise, mas mura talaga dito ha, compared sa official site. On the Disneyland website kasi wala talagang promo code yun or walang discount. Pero sa Agoda, you can actually get 5% off using the promo code Agad Travel. Ang maganda pa, just click the link, ayan, nasa comment section. It will automatically reflect in your Agoda app. Mas tipid, mas madali, at legit. Number 2, arrive early. In our case, we had an early entry pass from our hotel, kaya nakapasok kami 15 minutes before opening. Totoo talaga ang daming tao. Pero maganda talaga mauna ka na para ikaw pa rin ang mauna sa pila ng mga popular rides. Number 3, dress smart and bring essentials. Be weather ready. Check the forecast before you go, lalo na kung summer or rainy season. Wear comfy shoes, bring a fan or cooling towel, and syempre your water bottle. Ang daming naka rin sa Disneyland, so make sure comfortable ka from morning hanggang closing. Number 4, download the Tokyo Disney Resort app. Dito mo makikita ang ride, wait times, parade schedules, maps, and even premier access passes. Kami, ang ginawa namin, dun sa mismong app, nag-group kami para kapag nag-book ako nung premier access, magkakatabi kami ng seats doon sa Electrical Parade Dream Lights. So ito ay mapapurchase mo sa app din mismo, yung premier access, and we paid via credit card. Convenient, di ba? Reminder also, mabilis maubos yung mga pass, yung mga premier access, lalo na sa popular rides and shows. Number 5, don't overplan, just enjoy the magic. Lastly, don't forget to slow down and enjoy the moment. Minsan, sobrang dami nating gustong gawin, but the best memories come from just soaking it all in. The music, the snacks, the parades, and of course, that Disney magic. So don't stress too much. Take your time, smile, and enjoy every moment with your family or friends. That's it. Thank you for watching. If nakatulong tong video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Japan travel tips and Disney experiences. See you sa next video.